Welcome to Tool Tech Geek. This tool was on a Black Friday discount, so I got the Nextorch. My first impression is that it's very much lightweight than I thought. I thought it would be as heavy as a Gerber Dual Force. No, it's much lighter. Because these gigantic shears with little serrations. So that's kind of a very distinctive, unique thing it has, and also a little cutter for zip ties, or it's supposed to be for handcuffs, but I think it's going to be good just for zip ties, which is cool. And it doesn't have much in terms of conventional tools. For example, it has this tiny flathead screwdriver that's supposedly replaceable. Now, if you want to add more functions, you can add this kind of, for example, a kit that comes from the Roxon M2, and that fits there. So you could add, let's say, Phillips screwdriver that way. It's not very practical because it doesn't really, this could fall off. So you'll be for using a controlled place where you're on a table, something like that. And this actually fits in here in the back of the holster. There is a bit of room. With a little work you can fit that kit and still carry that, so you can add some functionality. There's already some reviews of this tool, so I'm not gonna extend, but I'm kind of pretty happy about it because it is something you can carry. I only been carrying smaller multi-tools like the PowerPoint or the Roxon M2, or lately I've been carrying this clone of the Signal, so it's getting a little bigger. This is a little bigger, but still fits in the pocket, and because it's not so heavy, it's kind of okay to carry. So I was kind of happy about that. This is really oriented kind of to rescue or law enforcement. Has mostly things to kind of break stuff. Not so much like screwdrivers, but still pretty interesting tool. The pliers are not that big, but they are approximately the same size as a Wave clone, give or take. So it's not too it's a little bigger even, I would say. So her point here. So I'm pretty happy that it was more portable than I thought. Thank you for watching.